Okay, so I have a video pet peeve. It's when I hear people thanking their viewers for watching their videos. Today, I'm here to tell you why you don't need to and shouldn't thank your viewers. And that's coming up next. Hey, it's Tracy with VideoScriptSuccess.com, where I teach you how to take your brilliant but scattered ideas and turn them into engaging videos that convert. So I want you to remember to hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you can get all the tips, tricks, and tools you'll need for making great online videos. Now, for the past 6 years, I have been hounding my daughter to say thank you. We have songs about it. She learned how to sign it. I even have a special "we're in public" head tilt coupled with a raised eyebrow. And that means, thank you business. It's good manners, but it has no place in your videos. Now, I know that this might be getting you a little heated and it goes against every morsel of your very polite body, but I want you to stop thanking your virtual audience when it comes to video, right? So don't worry, I'll give you an alternative in a little bit. Now you might be asking, why? Why, Tracy? Why can't I thank them? And I'm glad you asked. The biggest reason has to do with your value. So let's assume that you have just delivered a fabulous Facebook Live on how your audience can save a ton of money with 3 easy to implement strategies. You just saved them a ton of money. Why would you thank them for listening to you? Why would you thank them for not clicking away? You wouldn't. Listen, when you go to the doctor, do they thank you for coming to see them? No, you thank them for their time and their expertise. You're the doctor. You're the expert. How you establish your authority or don't sets the tone and the expectation for your online relationship. So in 2010, there was a great debate among the Toastmaster community about whether you should or should not end your speech with a thank you. It got ugly. Small cucumber sandwiches were thrown. There were people getting their feelings hurt. None of this actually happened. I made it up. But they did research this. And at the end of the day, the final word was that saying thank you at the end of your speech diminishes the impact of your ending. And I agree. Same for video. Your audience remembers your last sentence best. I'm going to say that again so it hits home. Your audience remembers your last sentence best. So I know that you can come up with something better and more meaningful than thank you. I like to end by giving my audience a task. Hey, click the subscribe button, leave me a comment, go challenge yourself to do something. Give more valuable advice. So if you want to be memorable, don't fall back on thank you. Push yourself to make the start and the end of your videos really strong. Now, I'm not telling you to go out there and make videos where you're like a raving, rude egomaniac, but there are ways of showing gratitude that don't have to be with a thank you, right? So you can acknowledge your audience by saying, hey, I really think it's great that you showed up today because your business or your health or whatever it is you're teaching is important to you. And it's important to me, right? So you acknowledge your audience. So it's polite and you're not undermining your authority or your value, right? So even if it makes your audience feel smart, which of course it's going to, you're not just saying, oh, thanks for showing up. Thanks for listening to me. They're tuning in for your expertise. Okay, so I know that this video might serve a couple pots, so go ahead, leave me a comment, ding, 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 telling me what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to be here every week, and I want you to go out and make some good videos. Oh, and by the way, your mom called. She said it was totally cool if you don't say thank you, but just don't say anything negative about her or use swear words. So I think we're good. I'll see you next week.